I am Rash Ravi Shankar, presenting the 39th episode of Friday Poems, a weekly uplinking of poets from all over India. We are doing so many poets have already read their poems in this program, and so many are expected to do. Today's poet is Anju Kishore. She has written many poems which have been featured in numerous journals and anthologies. She wrote a book of poems inspired by the civil war in Syria and I Stopped to Listen, which earned her much appreciation and a very good review in Indian literature. Uh, she has been part of the editorial teams of at least 7 anthologies uh, in India, like India Poetry Circle, Soul Scribers Society, Salem, and World Literature India. She is continuing her journey as a poet. Uh, she is reading 2 poems today, Goddesses and The Hills Were Alive. So over to Anju Kishore to read her 2 poems. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. This is Anju Kishore from Chennai. I'm so happy to be here on Friday Poems. Thank you, Ravi Shankar sir, for having me over. I will be reading 2 poems today. The first one is called Goddesses. He sees me in stone and seeks succor on my sculpted lap. Blessings from my immobile lips, bounties from my chiseled fingertips. Pouring promises and praise, he rallies flowers and fruit to the task of pleasing my gravelly heart. Mother, he calls me, assuring me of his insignificance in my intricate scheme of things. She awaits him with his baby on her lap. But the devotee smashes her lip and bloodies her fingertips. So drunken are his drawls, she clasps in alarm the infant years, lest they leave a future scarred. He has left another marred by yanking her honor off her heart, looming beastly large above her brutally pinioned lap. Woman, he calls her, crushing her flowers with the fruit of his carnal wants. He returns to me, a garland in his hands. His eyes rise to mine. Fire tingles in my breast. Within me, blood leaps, but in stone. Will the real goddesses rise, please? My second poem is a structured one. It's a villanelle called The Hills Were Alive. Watchful are the pines on the hill's side, though sway they may to a stream sordid, sighing like a wistful nightly tide. Darkness descends with eyes open wide, counting what crumbled in each cascade. Watchful are the pines on the hill's side. The breeze grieves like a bereaved bride, lost in the last dust of the brigade, sighing like a wistful nightly tide. The moon wanes, taking pain in its stride, while a vengeful sky plans its crusade. Watchful are the pines on the hill's side. What drilled deep to blast the rock's pride has left it stripped of its cloud brocade, sighing like a wistful nightly tide. Caution has long gone by the wayside. Drought brews disaster on the grey glade. Watchful are the pines on the hill's side, sighing like a wistful nightly tide. Thank you so much for listening.